value, buy my stuff. And then people will start to warm up to you, open up your emails. As you see here, I got, my clicks and open ratios, we got 7%, 16%, 18%. And then we also have our campaign, where, let me go ahead and go to the regular one. This is the one that you're initially set up, and you see here 20% open, 22% open, 20% open, 35% open, and then people are clicking. So these are real human beings, and this is from the traffic source that's inside of our system. I'm not going to scroll down because I don't want everybody and their mom and their brother and who knows using the same traffic sources. They work. What we have works. It's the only reason it's in there is because Nick's used it before. I recognize all the sources. I've been doing internet marketing since 2008. I recognize the sources, and it's all about just building that list and providing value to that list. And you might be asking too, and then I'll be done with this video, why do you need this super funnel? If you have the Livegood tour pages, why would you want the funnel? Well, the thing is Livegood doesn't want any type of paid traffic sources going directly to your tour page. If you do that, you're going to get your tour page shut off. So if you want to do any type of paid marketing, then you want to drive that to a buffer page, which is our capture page in our funnel system, so that you don't get your page shut off. And it also does a great job, obviously branding our team on why somebody would want to join you, because if you're a new marketer, you can leverage being on our team and somebody getting access to not only this super funnel, but this awesome team site that has all this training and a phenomenal group of entrepreneurs. Like I said, if you were to click this button here, it takes you to our Telegram group where you have a community that is there to support you and help you. So with that being said, I appreciate you watching my video. If you have any questions, let me know. If you like this video, click like, drop me a comment. The link to join will be the first Livegood link. I'll actually put the system so you can see it, so you can actually go through it and experience it. I'll put that link, and the second link will be just a link for system.io. If you're somebody who's in another business, you don't want to join Livegood, or maybe you're already connected with somebody and you want to use system.io, I'll put that link underneath the Livegood